This initial solution will show you how to get Snapchat streaks back or how to recover your Snap streaks. So first of all, open a browser and type here Snapchat support. Now open the Snapchat support URL and here tap on I lost my Snap streak. And here you will find this text to restore your Snap streak on our site. Tap on here. Scroll down. Give here your Snapchat account username. Enter here your email address. Give here the email address associated with your Snapchat account. Enter your phone number and enter here the device name you are using. Add a friend's username. Why did you start having this issue? Give here the time and date. Enter here the date. How long was your Snap streak before it expired? Give here the time range. Did you see the filter icon? Select here no and write here a clear description about that your Snapchat streaks is missing. Then fill up the captcha, tap on submit and wait until you get back the Snap streaks. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Initial Solution. See you in the next video.